So you can see we're pretty much through the foundation already. Just taking out some excess dirt, helping the boys out under there since they're laying down and standing up, so I can do a little bit more if the shovel allows me. I don't know how far the ABS goes in there, but I'm sure the boys got it exposed under there. I don't feel it. It's all cast iron there. You can see it's pretty tough. So imagine being under the house laying and trying to get through that. That's why it takes teamwork. Usually one person outside digging on the outside, another person on the inside, and hopefully intercept each other, meet in the middle. And you know, if you can do as much work as you can standing up, it'd probably be a little bit easier for the project in general. So we're just going to get this pipe exposed. We'll have it cut out and replaced in a couple hours.